All right, so you want to level up the UI of Brave and make it look like this. Clean, rounded corners, super minimal, everything you actually need right where you want it. So yeah, why waste time? Let's get right into it. So I'm in a VM with the fresh install of Brave, and just look at this clutter. Who even uses Brave like this? Maybe you do, and that's why you clicked on this video. Anyway, first click on the gear icon. From here, turn this off. We don't want ads as our wallpaper. Next, click on top sites and close that. Bookmarks really exist. Then click on Brave News and toggle it off. Now go back, click on Clock and turn it off as well. After that, click on Cards and switch everything off. I'm keeping this one on because I like seeing the stats, but you can turn it off too if you want. And finally, click on Search and turn it off. The URL bar already does that job. If I refresh now, it looks so clean. Next up, right-click on these icons and hide them. You'll literally never use them. They're useless anyway. Now let's hide this panel. Right-click it, select Never, and it's gone. Now go to Settings, Appearance, and toggle Show Home button. Trust me, you're gonna need it. Scroll down, find Use Wide Search Bar, and toggle it off. See how much smaller and cleaner it got? Now turn on vertical tabs to get your tabs like this, toggle on rounded corners, and now you have these small rounded edges. Then find Tab Hover Mode and select Card with Preview. After that, go to Customize your toolbar and turn off Add Bookmarks and Tab Search. Scroll down and toggle these two off as well. Now the top bar looks super clean. Now let's add some extensions to spice it up. Search Catpuchin and download the Mocha version or whichever one you like. Add it to Brave. Look how nice it looks with that deep purple and black vibe. Next, search Dark Reader, and no, we're not just using this to force dark mode on websites, just trust me. Click the link in the description and you should land here. Scroll down and you can see that with Dark Reader, we can change website colors to match our theme. You can read the instructions yourself or just watch how I do it. Open Dark Reader, click on More, then All Settings. From here, go to Advanced and then DevTools. A window like this will open, just click on Advanced again, and enable Design Prototype. Now, if we open Dark Reader, we get a new UI. Click on Show All Options, then Colors. From here, just copy and paste the color codes from the site into Dark Reader, like this. And now if we open something like Wikipedia and search anything, you can see the entire color scheme has changed and now matches our Brave theme. Now, let's rise some websites. We installed an extension called Stylus, and we're gonna use that for this. Click the second link in the description, and it should take you here. You can follow those instructions or just watch how I do it. First, download the JSON file. Then open the extension and click on Manage. It's gonna open a bunch of stuff, but don't panic, I got you. Just click Import and select the JSON file we downloaded. After importing it, you'll see all the websites here with their own custom CSS. If we check YouTube, you'll see it has the Capuchin color theme. Same with GitHub and even Brave Search. How cool is that? Even chess.com and many other sites get their own custom themes. Okay, now as you can see, I'm also using my own wallpapers in Brave, and a lot of you have been asking about them. So let me introduce you to Cozy Pixels, a wallpaper pack created by me where you can find all the wallpapers I've been using for the past year. They're super high quality and you can find them in my GitHub repo, linked in the description. And guess what? It's completely free. No paywalls, no BS. And yeah, that's about it, people. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.